Ready to move your USDT quickly and cheaply? Let's dive into how to send USDT using the Tron TRC20 network. First, you'll need a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink, Trust Wallet, or SafePal. Make sure you've downloaded it from the official App Store and secured it with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Open your wallet and find the Receive or Deposit button. Select USDT and ensure the network is set to TRC20. This is crucial to avoid losing your funds. You'll see a QR code and a long string of characters, your USDT TRC20 address. This is where you'll receive the USDT. Carefully copy the entire address. It's best to use the copy button in your wallet to avoid any typos. Double-check the first and last few characters to ensure accuracy. Now, go to the wallet you're sending USDT from and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Select USDT as the currency and paste the TRC20 address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Be mindful of any transaction fees, which are typically paid in TRX on the Tron network. Ensure you have enough TRX in your wallet to cover these fees. Before confirming, review all the details carefully. Verify the recipient address, the amount, and the transaction fee. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Your transaction is now being processed. You'll typically see a pending status. You can track the progress of your transaction using a Tron block explorer like Tron Scanio. Just paste your transaction ID or recipient address into the search bar to see its status. Once confirmed, your USDT will arrive in the recipient's wallet. That's it. You've successfully sent USDT on the Tron TRC20 network. Enjoy the speed and low fees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.